Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Happy fall, y'all. I just wanted to bring you a little inspo to get on with your fall decorating. I haven't started yet. I just grabbed these things out of my closet, but I haven't started. To me, it's too early. But I wanted to bring you a little fall inspiration from some past fall collabs that I've done and a little decorating that I did around the house years ago. So hopefully this will inspire you to maybe put out a few things or jump onto a few YouTube collabs. I know they're out there. I know I think I missed a couple of collabs recently, like this and that with Denise Jordan. I know Denise likes to do a kitchen vignette, fall vignette, and I think I missed that one. But you know, guys, it's not too late to jump onto a few fall collabs. But even if you don't, I just wanted to bring you a little fall inspo from some decorating that I did in past years. So hopefully, I'm going to insert some shots here. So hopefully some of this will trigger some inspiration and get the juices flowing for some things that you could possibly do. And I just want to also add that my stuff is usually done on a budget. Most of the things that I'll be showing in my videos are thrifted. Most of them are thrifted. And of course, you may be the Dollar Tree, but the majority of the things that I decorate with are thrifted. So that's a little inspiration for you as well. Don't sleep on the thrift store, guys. There's a lot out there that you can buy that's, you can give new life to. So don't sleep on the thrift store. I'm not ready for fall yet, and this happens every year, but you know that YouTubers usually get on really early and start decorating for fall to give you a little inspiration. And I'm always late to the game as far as fall decorating goes. I don't really put a lot of stuff out because the more you put out, the more you have to undo. So I stopped putting out a lot of stuff a long time ago. I might put out some pumpkins or something, but I will participate in an occasional collab. I went upstairs to my closet looking for some fall stuff. Most of my decor is up in the attic, but in my closet I had a few things, and all I could find left over was this. This was handy. And this looks like this came from, I think I got this from Dollar General a couple years ago. But I'm hoping that you're enjoying these clips that I'm showing for this fall decor. So thank you guys, and I appreciate you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my new friends, thanks so much. And thank you guys for returning and checking out Life on Greenwood. See you guys. Happy fall.